Cloud computing is not only in the future, it's also how computers are used today and in the past, says Ellison, co-founder of Oracle and former CEO. Cloud computing is a widely recognized term today. Understanding cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the use of the internet to store and access your data and programs. Rather than storing all your data, you use online services to access your data whenever you need it. It is a system that offers on-demand, self-service type services such as virtual machines, data storage solutions. Some large corporations in this field include Amazon. Their website AWS offers a variety of infrastructure services, including storage of data, processing, and networking capacity. Google Cloud Platform enables developers to develop, test, and host apps on a quick and secure global system. Microsoft Azure allows individuals to create, host, and execute applications within a Microsoft-controlled worldwide network. Types of cloud computing services. SaaS, software as a service. SaaS allows users to access software programs via the internet for a subscription fee. They can operate them on any web-enabled device. Examples: Google Apps, Salesforce. PaaS, platform as a service. PaaS offers a pre-configured platform to the users to develop, execute, and deploy their own applications. They need not worry about hardware management, storage, or networking. Examples: Amazon Web Services, Rackspace. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. IaaS offers nothing but the raw hardware and network. The users have to install and run their own software and applications on it. Examples: IBM Cloud, Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services. And now that we know the definitions, let's take each cloud computing service and illustrate it with an example. SaaS, software as a service. If you take a taxi, the organization takes care of everything such as obtaining the vehicle, keeping it, insurance, and fuel. You pay for the trip only. Examples include Google products such as Google Docs and Gmail. PaaS, platform as a service use case. Think about taking a trip locally and choosing to rent a car. You plan to organize the fuel, tolls on the road, and driver yourself. IaaS, infrastructure as a service use case. For instance, if you are going on a long trip to a far place and opt for hiring a car, you have to organize things like getting the car serviced, insurance, road tax, fuel, tolls, and a driver. The car company just organizes the lease payment. Cloud computing features and benefits. Provider's responsibility. The provider receives, operates, and sustains all hardware and software that are needed, in full or in part, at their own premises. Pay-per-use model. Pay only for what you consume. This method saves money compared to other ways in which full amounts are paid irrespective of the amount consumed. Unlimited flexibility. Providers align resources in order to rapidly adapt to increasing demands. Companies may increase or decrease capacity according to current needs. Effective data transfer and security. The users can easily move their information. The system safeguards the information by making multiple copies to avoid loss. On-demand control. Customers can modify their use of resources, resubscribe services, and manage billing without or with little provider involvement. Conclusion. Cloud computing possesses numerous favorable features that render technology simpler and more affordable to handle. With the utilization of providers to handle equipment and software, users can focus on work without worrying about technology-related problems.